Hey everyone, thanks for joining my channel, and look what I found. Yay! I finally found it, my Ipsy for September. I did a previous video, Ipsy versus Sephora for August, and I mentioned in there that I couldn't find this, but I found it. It was stuck in a bag that I don't know why. But anyways, we're gonna open it. We're gonna see what we got for September. If you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, it is a $10 a month subscription, and you get 5 to 6 items in it. Sometimes they are trial size, sometimes they are full size. You also get a cute little zippy bag with it, which is really nice. So I have a ton of these bags. On the website, what you do is you do like a little profile, and you say whether you like skincare or makeup or hair care. You do your hair color, eye color, age, all of that good stuff. So it's all pretty much curated for you. It's just $10 a month if you want to sign up. The link is down below. So we have our Ipsy bag for September. It is so cute with the eyelashes. I'm loving it. Let's open it up and see what is inside. I haven't seen any Ipsy unboxings this month. I've just been kind of trying to keep my eyes away from them just because I want to be surprised. But I know with Ipsy, not everybody gets the same things. There are several different items that you can get. So what I got may not necessarily be what you get, but it's kind of a good idea of kind of what's in the boxes or the bags every month. So first thing we have is Who's Going to Stop Me? This is the card for the month. It's just got a little bit of information on the back. And so let's dig in here. First thing we have is a brush. Now they work a lot with Luxie. Oh, this is really cool. I love this. This here is the Wonder Woman Luxie brush, and I am digging this. This is a tapered brush, so it's got this really great taper for inner corners or outer corners. I don't know if you can see it right there, but it's got the Wonder Woman symbol there, and it also has it down here. That is so cool. That's super cool. I am such a big like comic fan and a movie fan that I'm like stoked about this. This is very, very cool. And I really like the tapered blender brushes. So this is really nice. I only have a couple of these tapered brushes, but I do really love them. So yay, good start. Douce, I never know how to say this. Douce, no, it's not douche. Douce Freematic Bronzer. This is nice. This will go straight into my magnetic palette because it is just a little thingy here. Where's my magnetic palette? I don't know where she is. She's around somewhere. I can't find her. So this is what it looks like. It looks like it's a really light bronzer. Yeah, there's not a whole lot of like darkness to that, which is fine for somebody like me with the light skin. I am totally cool with that. So I will use this. I do really like bronzers. I tend to use them just as a little bit of a, just give my face a little bit more color. So I do like this. And we do get this brand a lot in this bag. It's usually an eyeshadow, but I'm glad I didn't get any eyeshadows because I'm getting kind of tired of getting like bronze eyeshadows. That's usually what I get. All right, next up we have Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. And this here is a very, very good brand. I really, really love Dr. Brandt items. I have several. They have been making their rounds in the subscription boxes, most recently in BoxyCharm. There were a couple of things of theirs in BoxyCharm. This is age-fighting exfoliator. I wonder if this is the kind that kind of rubs your skin off because I really like that kind. I'm just putting a little bit on my hand. Oh yeah, it's definitely has a little bit of a grit to it. It's very kind of sandy, so that's perfect for an exfoliator. Yeah, I like these. And it's a little tiny tube, but it does feel very full. It's 0.25 ounces. Next, we have Luna by Luna, and this is another brand that I have gotten before in this box. I believe I got a blush or an eyeshadow from them, and this one here is the translucent powder. It's very, 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 very pale, very white. So I'm assuming that it goes on clear because it's translucent. Let's find out. It's a domed kind of powder and it's pressed in there. There's a bit of a perfume in it. This is in the color White Sand. And it's got mica, talc, dimethicone, magnesium cerate, mineral oil, a few other things. So if you have sensitivities to any of those, this is probably not for you, But luckily, I do not have any sensitivities to any of those. In fact, I really like things with dimethicone in them because dimethicone is a silicone product and it just makes everything smoother and softer. So I'm definitely going to try this. It's going to take a lot to get me away from my It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. I live for that stuff. It's very expensive, but I love it. But we're going to go ahead and try it and see what we think. And then the last thing we have is a Smashbox liquid lip. And this is in the color Babe Alert. If I can focus. This is in the color Babe Alert. And this is a really pretty peachy pink tone that I just dropped, but that's okay. It's a very standard doe foot. It's that teardrop doe foot. So yeah, this color looks really pretty. It's very, 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 very peach. Smashbox always has some really good products. I have several of their lips sitting right on my desk right now. So I do like this. I think that's a really pretty color. It's a little bright, but it's not too bad. I'm definitely excited to try it out. So that's it for Ipsy. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you wanted to subscribe, the link is down below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe and those notifications so you know every time I upload something. And we will see you again next time. Bye.